Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Shaun. So I wanted to let you know that I ordered a shirt from Amazon. It took approximately, well, I ordered it when last Wednesday, so it took a week to get here, but that's okay. But the thing about it is they charged me $6 for delivery, but it just came today. So this is an unboxing of my shirt, and hopefully it'll be what I ordered. So I'm gonna try doing it with my telekinesis. Look it up. Google it. Yeah, so it's like that. And I'm gonna probably, hopefully, God willing, get another one like next week. Sorry for the angles. So there it is. That's my shirt. But I ordered for the summer. Oh, and it comes in this really neat reusable Ziploc bag. This video is going to have some serious editing to it, so I'm going to keep the Ziploc bag. So here it is. So it's a tank top. And it's a, what do you call that, compression shirt. Now it doesn't, so far, to me, it doesn't look like it did in the, well, yeah, it's kind of, this is going to be a hot shirt to wear in the summertime. Oh, here's the front. So it's a tank top, or a wife beater, I guess that's what you call it, I'm not sure. And it's a compression shirt because over being quarantined, I ate a lot, so I got a grande estomaco. So I can't be not embarrass myself walking down the street with no stomach like I'm grande. So there it is, unboxing of the shirt. And I'm not going to put it on for you because it feels like it's really, really hot. It feels like it's made out of like nylon. I don't see any, oh, let's see. Okay. There is, so it says, not on that one anyway, not on anything. Oh, well, here. No, that's not it. So anyway, it doesn't say what it's made out of, but I just got this from Amazon, and it was very simplistic to order. I really like to order more stuff just to see it arrive. And on the arrival Texas that I was getting, it actually showed me that the truck was around the corner from where I live, and I just went over there because I was like, I'm a kid when it comes to presents and ordering and getting gifts and stuff like that. So I went around the corner and I just said, do you have a delivery for Shaun? And he looked up my address and he just gave it to me. So that was very cool. And so that's it. So this is the unboxing of a compression shirt that I got. And that's it. So I hope everybody's having a great day. And I'll see you again real soon.